Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the new layaway feature. Now, to use the layaway feature, we're going to go to the menu on the side, and we'll go down to this button that says Layaways. Here we'll have all of our already made and in progress layaways. We either have this icon for in progress, this icon for fully paid for, and this icon for overdue. We can then press on this button to see any of the closed layaways that we have. Now let's go and make a new layaway. So we'll go to this plus on the top right. Here we can select the customer, select any inventory items that we'll be adding to the layaway. We'll add a second item as well. We'll add sales tax. Select the due date for the final payment, any notes or any images that might be necessary, the payment frequency if you'd like, and the customer signature. Now we'll be prompted to view the layaway. Hitting dismiss will take us back to the layaway screen, while hitting continue will take us directly back to that layaway we just created. So we'll go continue. Now, firstly opening it is going to take us to the checkout screen on the layaway details page. Now we'll be able to make our initial payment, if there are any, directly to whatever product it is that we'll be paying for first. So we can go to this one right here, and let's say the customer wanted to pay in full one of the items directly and immediately. We'll put 28 on that, cash, confirm, and we will make that payment. Now here on the layaway details overview screen, we'll see the date created, its total cost, the customer it was created for, the employee that submitted it, its pickup date, and the time remaining on that blue bar as a timer. Now when we go back to checkout, this item is paid in full already. We can now add any more items if necessary by this button right here, and it will pull us up this select product screen. We will be able to add more items. Here we can print in our layaway details invoice. We can also email this if we want to choose that option as well. We can notify payment balance here. We can send an email or a push notification reminding that they have a pending balance on their layaway. We can add any more notes if necessary, call the customer, and this will give us the phone number if the customer has the phone number on their account, and we can email the customer as well with their email provided. Now, let's go ahead and cancel this layaway. So we will continue. Now canceling is going to ask if we would like to restock the items into the inventory. We can go yes. Now we've made this layaway and we've canceled it. Now when we go back, now we'll be able to go to our closed layaways, because canceling it also closes it, and we will see the canceled icon on this closed layaway. Now we can see that this layaway has been canceled. We can go ahead and delete this layaway as well.